We are outside in our hotel. And may mga tao dito, makukulit. Nasa labas kami ng hotel namin, nag-aantay kami ng pick-up namin nang papunta sa Yati. Doon kami magbe-breakfast.
Hi, any adventure?
Yeah? That's good. Good morning, guys. Today it's Tuesday. Did I write
Yeah,
day?
yeah,
honey?
you're right, yeah. Very good. I'm impressed. Yeah.
Very good. My husband was, I'm impressed. You remember the day.